everybody! Today we're going to make an origami dress. And can you notice something? My sister's here! Hello! She's here to help us. Today we're going to make...
So let's get a piece of paper.
And let's get started.
So first, you fold your piece of paper in half.
Like this. To a rectangle.
And then next, you fold it in half again into a square.
Like this.
Ooh! After that, you open the whole thing.
There's a quicker way.
And then it will look like a window.
A window.
So now,
Ooh.
you do 3 small folds around the square.
Like this.
And leave one side empty with no folds. Like this.
Like this. Like one window, blah, blah, blah. That. One side empty.
And now, you turn it over.
This. It's like a window again.
Yes. And then you fold it down. Sort of like what you would do to a paper plane.
This.
Like that.
Like this.
Mm.
Lovely.
It has to go over the line a little
Like here.
bit.
Like this.
And then the same for the other side. Make sure it has to overlap so that it's not pointy.
Usually I would say the opposite of that, like don't overlap.
Okay.
This.
Yes. Now
That's the tricky part.
you have to fold it out like this. Make sure you don't rip this part.
Good,
So
'cause
you
my
be
sister
very
just did it.
careful.
This. Hun?
Yes. And then the two
Has to be like-
corners has to be touching.
Like has to be hanging out, sort of.
Right now it looks like a coat. So like this, and then like,
My big sister's helping me here.
and then
It's hanging, kinda, it's not hanging out.
it is hanging out.
Like, it's like not touching.
That's okay.
Does
And
it
now?
touch?
You turn it over, and as you can see, it looks a lot like a dress.
Woohoo! I got my dress. A fat dress.
And then you fold down the collar for your dress.
That's weird.
This would work a lot better if you had origami paper with a white back. And we're almost done. This is optional, but you can fold this part here so that it's not seen at the
Like-
front.
Yeah.
And your dress is done. All you need to do is put on patterns if you like to,
Or you like it like this, like oh.
and then
this.
you're done. You could give this to your mother on Mother's Day, or to
Your father or a family member or your friends or someone close to you.
yes.
So don't forget the fun part to draw on your dress.
So we're gonna put patterns on.
Yeah. No, I got ruined. Next color. Pink and purple. One, 2, done. Woo! Thank you for watching this video, everybody, and I hope you had fun with Hannah and also the video. And
Make sure to like it, not just emotionally, and subscribe and press the notification bell.
this is our dresses. Let's wear it. Okay, let's get
They're too small.
Okay, this is baby clothes.
Thank you. See ya.
See ya. Bye bye.